Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off read receipts in Microsoft Teams. This quick and easy guide will help protect your privacy by keeping your read status hidden from others. Whether you're using Teams for work or personal conversations, turning off read receipts gives you more control over your digital interactions and helps you manage responses on your own terms. First, you need to sign into your Microsoft Teams account. Open the Teams app on your desktop or access it through a web browser. Enter your login credentials to reach your main dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of your screen and locate the three horizontal dots, also called the More Options or Ellipses button. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings to access Teams configuration options. Inside the Settings menu, options are displayed in a list format on the left-hand side. Look for the Privacy section and click on it. This section is dedicated to managing your account's privacy settings and interactions with other users. Scroll through the privacy options until you find Read Receipts. By default, this feature is active, meaning others can see when you've read their messages. To turn off Read Receipts, click on the slider next to this option. The slider will switch from blue, which indicates that Read Receipts are active, to gray, meaning they are now disabled. Once you turn this off, other users will no longer be notified when you read their messages, giving you the freedom to check messages at your own pace without pressure to respond immediately. After making this adjustment, you can simply navigate away from the settings page as changes are applied automatically. There's no need to manually save anything. Turning off read receipts is a small change that can make a big difference in managing your availability and ensuring a more relaxed communication experience. That's it. You've successfully turned off read receipts in Microsoft Teams. By following these steps, you can maintain your privacy and control how you interact with messages. I hope this guide made the process simple and easy to follow. Check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to optimize your Microsoft Teams experience and make your communication smoother and more efficient.